my name is Grace Smith. I am a lifestyle YouTuber and content creator, and today I'm going to be doing an office makeover with Lick. Having a home office space that makes me feel creative and that I love is so important to me as somebody who works from home because it allows me to do my best work possible and to feel energized and excited every single day. I'm going to be doing a mural today because I have this white room that I come in, I get my work done, I do my editing, I shoot videos, I create content, I do emails, I do lots of different things. I'm also a student, so there's just like a lot that goes on in this office, and I feel like I'd be a lot more energized and excited every day if I love the way that it looked. And so that is this weekend's project, and I think the number one thing that will make a huge difference is a wall mural. I had so much fun scrolling through Lick's website, looking at all the different wallpapers and paints. I decided to go the paint route because I want to do something kind of like, I am a creative, so doing a creative project just kind of makes sense for me. So I thought getting a bunch of different colors would be perfect. So I, along with the help of my mom, are gonna get to work on creating the office of my dreams for all of my work from home needs today, and I couldn't be more excited. Y'all should definitely check out the description below for more information on Lick. Seriously, y'all, they are bringing my office dreams to life, and they can bring your dreams to life in whatever space. You could make over any room in your house in such a transformative, big way just with the help of paint or wallpaper. Like, it changes the space's vibe so much, and Lick's got you covered. So definitely check out the information and be sure to use my code. So excited to be sharing that with y'all today. Everybody loves a good discount. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the room makeover. I'm going to show you guys the whole wall before, and then we're going to get right into this project. And by a few days from now, I'm going to have the space of my dreams to sit down and do my work, concentrate, and feel creative. Alright, y'all can see I've already started opening up my Lick packages. We're going to open some of them up together, but this is the area we are working with. I always have a desk here, and this is where I get a lot of my creative work done. And so the mural is going to go here. I think it's just going to inspire me every day to create really cool projects. So this is the area we are going to be focusing on. Alright, let's start off with doing a little haul, everything that I picked out from Lick for this little project, so y'all can kind of get an idea of what we're working with. Also, just a little side note that I did get a lot of paint for it being a mural, but we're gonna end up using it in lots of different parts of our house. And also, I have a friend who recently got a new house, so I'm gonna give her some paint too. So just sharing the love of Lick with everyone. Their products are like too amazing to just pick one, so I got pretty excited. But this mural is going to be iconic because of it, and everyone in my life is about to have the most beautiful painted homes because of it. Alright, y'all, so first up, I got this little paint kit. I kind of already went through it a little bit, but it comes with everything you need, which is just so nice. You don't have to run to the store or anything, and it's like cute, which we all know that I'm obsessed with. So I got some painter's tape, yellow, so fun. I got a little paint roller, and I also got a big one, which we're gonna have to definitely need for this project. We have a little paintbrush, 1.5 inch. Literally tell me that's not like the cutest paintbrush ever. Like, didn't know paintbrush could be cute, but now we know. And then I got 2 big foam rollers. We have 2 tiny foam rollers for the tiny roller, a drop cloth, and we have just to put our paint in. So literally everything we needed. Didn't have to run to the store to get anything. I was able to get everything I need for this project from Lick. Something that I really just love about Lick is that I was able to get everything I need on their website. I didn't have to run to the store to get anything because I was able to pick up this kit. So let's look at all the paint I picked out. Alright, y'all, first up, I just opened up this package. We got pink 04, so beautiful, and even look how cute. All the details are just like, I'm obsessed with the details. It says it causes stir on the little paint stick. Obsessed. Alright, let's open the rest and see what other colors we have. Alright, y'all, full paint haul. So I got the color orange 05, pink 12, white 01, pink 04, yellow 03, and this pink 13 Nashville house. This is the Soho house line. So we have lots to work with, and let's get started because this mural might take a minute, but it's going to be so worth it. Alright, you guys, so update. My mom, Shani, say hi. Hello. Came up and we had a little chat about what exact design we're gonna do. I'm gonna let you guys wait till the end to find out what it's gonna look like for a surprise. We kind of scrolled around the internet trying to get some ideas, but we're getting started by drawing out the outline. So my mom's getting started with that task, and then we're gonna get into painting. Alright y'all, so update time checking in. We have got a big chunk of the mural done and there's just a little ways to go. So I'm going to show you all the progress and then we're going to go in with the finishing touches, touch-ups, and things like that. Just added this section. Everything's looking good. Again, we're still going in some touch-ups, but it's looking really good. I'm going to use this little brush now to add in some bright pink spots. Alright friends, so checking in, we have finished the mural and I'm so excited to show you the final reveal. It's going to be the perfect little at-home office space. I'm going to feel so creative and inspired here. So let's see the final review.
Use discount code Grace Smith to shop Lick, and the discount code will give you 50% off samples. As y'all can see, I started to piece together a final office look here. I'm still looking for the perfect desk for the space, but I pieced in a chair and a tree to bring in some hominess, and overall I just feel so much more inspired and creative, and I'm excited to get to work in this space.
I hope y'all enjoyed watching this little office makeover video, adding some life and some creativity and some inspo to my workspace. It's so important to love the space that you work in. You will get so much more accomplished, and this lick paint was literally perfect for the job. So yeah, I'll see y'all around, and I hope that maybe you're inspired to transform a space that you love.